Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Sri N. Biren Singh amasung Honorable Minister Education Manipur, Sri T. H. Basantakumar Singh lamjing makhada, Department of Education na haukiba chahi asida thoidok hendokna singthaningai oiraba achievement kaya purakre. Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur na lauba Higher Secondary Exam lising ani kulhumdoi da Art Stream amasung Commerce Stream da Government School na first position holder oirakhi. Board of Secondary Education Manipur na lauba HSLC examination lising ani kulhumdoi da Government School gi satra sing pass percentage chada marfunitoi dasmik nipan ga ani oiduna Manipur gi history da khwaidagi wangba pass percentage oikhi. Honorable Chief Minister gi brainchild oriba school fagat hansi mission lising ani tara mapanda school humfuda haudokibadu haujikti mission asina school punna chamaga kun cover tawba ngamle. Mission asina cover tawriba school singda enrollment hengatpagi chang chada kun mari oirakpada natana HSLC examination da pass tawbagi chang chada yankhainithoi dasmik ahunga nipandagi chada humfunipan dasmik taruka mangada hengalakhi. Higher Secondary Examination dana pass tawbagi chang chada humfumathoi dasmik taruka mangadagi chada marfutaret dasmik mapanga mangada hengalakhi. PME Vidyagi Apunba Bharat ki DTH Educational Channel Chani gi manungda Channel Taradi Manipur gi oire. Class 3, 5, 8 amasung 10 gi National Achievement Survey pangthokpada state asigi average performance level na National Average Performance Level dagi wanglakhi. Lairik haiba mobile app ama launch tawduna Manipur gi satra khudingmakta e-content e-learning materials sing fangankre. Bharata Manipur State na ahanba oina comic textbooks haiba class 1 dagi 5 fawagi supplementary learning material ama introduce tawduna satra sing laina fun oina larik tamba fangankre. State asida Command and Control Center haiba ama department asigi thabak tharamda real time da monitor tawnaba establish tawre. Science graduate teacher chahumga taret, Arts graduate teacher chatruka nipan, Hindi graduate teacher chamaga kuntra amasung Hindi primary teacher chahumga kun engagement tawduna school singda mathaw tawhankre. Senior lecturer na Higher Secondary School gi principal da eligible oiba graduate oza kayana headmaster of junior high school or assistant headmaster of high school da promotion pikre. Class 8 fawbada leiba government school gi Lak amaga lising nifunitoy chaungaga hufunipan girls student ST, SC amasung BPL student singda fangankre. Anoba primary school chahumga nifumathoy upgraded toroba chaniga kuntra taret upper primary school gi building sabagi thabak chathabada natana school lising ahumga chamriga tarataret ki infrastructure strengthen taunaba thabak chatharakli. Ministry of Education Government of India gi report matung ina Manipur na secondary stage ta atopa state singdagi khwaidagi drop out nemba oire. Education is the great engine of personal and social development haiba asigaloinana Department of Education schools gi maikaidagi miyamda anoba chahigi yaifa pausel pizari.